A scientist was there whose name was Sir Berzelius. He was a Swedish chemist. He named a theory as vital theory, and he told people that organic compounds are formed from something invisible. Okay, something vital force is there which is forming organic compounds, and we as a scientist or we as a chemist cannot prepare the organic compounds. So he gave this theory that was prevalent everywhere until scientists were capable enough to distinguish between organic compounds and inorganic compounds. Here, what the difference? They told that organic compounds are those compounds which are found from animals and plants, and inorganic compounds are those which they form in laboratory, in lab, right? So they distinguished. Then what happened? A scientist was there whose name was Sir Berzelius. He was a Swedish chemist. He named a theory as vital theory, and he told people that organic compounds are formed from something invisible. Okay, something vital force is there which is forming organic compounds, and we as a scientist or we as a chemist cannot prepare the organic compounds. So he gave this theory that was prevalent everywhere until in 1828, when another scientist came whose name was Wöhler. On his name, Wöhler's reaction is also there, which you will read after some time. What he did, he synthesized urea from an inorganic compound, and that inorganic compound was NH4CNO, and its name is ammonium cyanate. So what he did, he heated ammonium cyanate and he made urea, that is NH2C double bond O NH2, and its name is urea. Then what happened? This thing came in 1828. In 1845, there came a scientist whose name was Kolbe, and what he did, he formed acetic acid. Okay, this acetic acid was formed by Kolbe. You will also read Kolbe's reaction. Then came a scientist Berzelius in 1856, and what he did, he prepared methane. So now these points, F. Wöhler, Kolbe and Berzelius, these three scientists' name along with what they prepared is very important for both mains and all as well as NEET students. Okay, so now what the scientists understood, all the world even understood, that organic chemistry or organic compounds can be prepared by some methods. There is nothing like vital and there is no vital theory. They reached on that conclusion. Okay, there is also a structure which I need you to know, that is nicotine. Nicotine is an organic compound which is actually alkaloid. What is alkaloid? You will get to know in your class 12. For now, you have to remember that it is alkaloid and it is found in tobacco, right? What is its structure? I am drawing the bond line formula so that you understand and you learn the formula, right? You must understand and you must be able to recognize these famous compounds because they can be asked in your examination as matching type. Okay, so this is nicotine. I have already told you about special structures. I have already discussed niacin with you, and here I will discuss vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid. NEET students, listen here, that ascorbic acid due to the deficiency of vitamin C, that is ascorbic acid, what happens? There happens scurvy. Okay, so you must remember, and there is a table in your biomolecules chapter in which the sources of vitamins are given, and the deficiency of what vitamin causes what is really very important from the point of view of biology also, and as well as chemistry, because in chemistry they ask some questions from biomolecules and they give us as a matching type, right? So this is the molecule of vitamin C which I am going to draw here. You must be able to identify it. So this is the bond line structure which I am making here. OH double bond O, here CHOH, CH2OH. Okay, so this is ascorbic acid. So these were some of the important points. Now I want you to give a question to you.
Crowded classes, these gaps go unnoticed. With one-to-one mentoring, chemistry becomes logical and real improvement begins.